You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bose sound system, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.